Hi guys, today I will show you how to keep your message in Snapchat. We always have seen that while we texting or after we texting the message to someone in Snapchat, it always disappear. Now I'm going to my Snapchat account. I'm going to chat to my god sister and I'm gonna say hi dear, yeah, and I'm send to her. So the message is that after she she sees my message, this message will disappear, or she send me a message and after I see it and I come back to my account, it will disappear. Even though I'm come back to normal using everything in my phone and I'm go back to my Snapchat. It's skip in the message, but after she see the message, my message will disappear. So to keep this message, we just go to hold on the message what we sent to her or you send to someone, and you will see save in chat. So it will bring the red ball, a red ball line. So it means that this message will not disappear even though you chat to her for long times or after she viewed your message. Well, thank you for your watching.